Hi guys! Today we are doing a different gameplay today. Oh, I already tried it, and you will hear me warning. If you don't like loud noises, get out, cause I'm gonna rage a lot. I already had 8 tries. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna have a bad time. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, come on, Sans. Come on, Sansy! Come on, Sans! I would never say that. Anyways. Down. Really? I already tried this. I also remember some other people playing it. And here it goes. Oh, I'm gonna hate this. Whoop. Jump. Jump. Oh god. Had some soda. I don't know how I can have soda, but come on! I know you like to dodge, but seriously. Oh, I'm getting good. Ow. How are you supposed to dodge that? Ooh. I'm getting good. Oh, I'm getting good. Go. I'm getting good at this. That's what I always die at. That hurts like a ton! Oh no, 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 I don't want to die here. Not now. No! I felt like I was so close. I felt like I was about to pass that. No, I'm not gonna give up, you fucking retarded piece of shit. Come on. Oh! You're still not as strong as me, you bitch. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Middle. Bottom. Middle. Top. Done. Like that, motherfucker. Like that, bitch. Middle attack. I still didn't get it for this. As hell. Ow! Already got attacked. I hate it. And perfect! Nope. Lag is the reason. Lag! Jump. Nope. Ow. Jump. 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 How is anyone supposed to dodge that shit? Sandra. Fucking me, you bitch. You don't want me to kill you, do you? No, you don't. So, let me win. You fucking trash bag. You guys are called retarded Sans trash bag. So, damn it! Damn it! Yes! I finally fucking passed it! Ooh, what's next? I don't know what's after this, guys. Oh, this shit. Ah. Fuck. Ah. Oh, I made it. I made it, bitch. Come on. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh hell no. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh, just one more hit and I'm fucking dead. Shit. Oh. Yes! Did I fucking make it? Fucking attack! What the hell? Attack's fucking huge! Ooh, that was close. Oh, no, shit. Please no more. Oh my god. How much is your attack? What the hell, Sans? No! It shouldn't have ended right there! Is that fucking endless or shit? No, I'm not a kid, you bitch! Fucking swear. Fuck you. Fuck you. One more death and I swear I'm ending this, guys. And I'm going back to the zombie. I'm not even kidding, guys. This guy's making me mad. Fuck you. Don't do that. Bitch. Oh my god! Suck! I suck! Suck it. Ah! Son! Why are you so difficult? Ah! Should've been perfect, bitch. I know we Sans can dodge, but Jesus Christ, Sans! It pushed me over a little. Ow! How was anyone supposed to fucking dodge that? Fucking dodging some shit. Okay, after this, it comes the hard part. And I just got hit for no reason. Fucking anyway. I forget what I said. Anyway. Oh, God. Do it again. Come on. Come on. Kobe! Oh. Kobe! Ow. Kobe! 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 Yes, I made it again. Okay, time for this bloody attack. Ooh, I got hurt last time. But not this time. Ah. Shit!
New Vic's Children's was built with the good stuff
guys,
for cold relief.
how many zombies it is? Well, guys, I'll just get this up. Get this up, hold up. Hold up, I'm having some tentacle difficulties. Tentacle difficulties! Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay. Back to the face cam we go, because fuck life, right? Okay. As you can see, come on, you stupid. Hold up. Oh, guys. As you can see, I am in my room. So, yeah, guys, I'm at my room. And as you can see, Teleporting actually works.
You know, we're gonna have a lot of plant food, so let's go ahead and keep
That. Anyways, let's get this back on my face. My face matters. There we go. Excuse me. As I said, I had a lot of soda. As you can see here. Get the fucking camera right there. That's Coke. And ooh, pinata! Pinata. Hold up. Pikachu, hold this. Pinata. Pinata. I know one thing. Oh wait, what? What even is this? A puncher. What's this? I'm saving that too. Ah, shit. Oh. Fire team! Attack! Punch! Punch! Aqua is dueling! Aqua is dueling. Well, hold on, guys. Aqua. Aqua is dueling. Anyways, come on, guys. Ooh, melt. Like your dreams were passion. Fling! Fling those suckers! What am I? Guys, this is chaos. Oh! Energy, 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 right where I'm pointing. On this lane. Right there. Punch! Punch like your dear life depends on it, guys. Punch! Punchity, punchity, punch! 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 Aqua is dueling! Aqua is dueling. Oh no! Guys, can you get rid of them? Oh god! This is bad. Shit. Zap him! Zap! Zap time! Zappity time! Boom it up! Boom! 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 Get burnt, boss! Get burnt! Get away, you creeps! Get away, you stupid creeps! Ugh! Oh, that. Fuck off. Frick off.
All their torches out. Look at that. All their torches.
Frick off.
Start attacking. That's why it was nice.
Boom. Boom, boy. Boom. 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 Get out of here. This sucks. I suck for that matter. Boom, bitch. Punch him! Rock 'em, sock 'em, boy! Rock 'em, sock 'em, bitch! Do it before he gets here! Ah, phew! I thought he was actually gonna kill me. Oh no, 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 no! Destroy it! Destroy! Why have I not been using these? These guys can heat it up! Heat! Heat! Do your heating move or something! Do it! Yes, I'm defrosting every one of them! Yes! Come on! I can do this! Go, 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 go! Do it before you push us! Yes! Now time to finish you guys off. Time to punch them out. Punching time! Time to get you out of here! Boom! Headshot! Well, guys, I'm gonna do this pianta one more level if I can fill it in. I don't know. Probably half of it, but yeah. Piñata. Piñata. I don't even have that! I don't even have that! I'm so unlucky! I'm unlucky. Wait! Okay, guys. You know I'm a bit more mature than that. Right, guys? Okay, let's watch it. I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, guys! Yay! I'm back. Now, you can see. Actually, guys, I'm pranking on you guys. This is the, my room. Technically. From headquarters. Yes. I'm actually in YouTube headquarters. Woo!
Let's keep going here.
You know, guys, I'm lazy. So you know what's gonna happen if you watch my Gacha Live videos. Okay, fine. Let's make this quick though. No, what? How'd you get there? Oh no, they're gonna eat my brains. You hear them? They're gonna eat my brains. They're gonna eat my brains. I don't even have brains. Because I'm a skeleton inside. And I'm dead inside. Crawling in my skin. These wounds will never heal. Okay, stop. I need to stop with these memes. Seriously. What is wrong with me? With these memes. Defrost these guys. Defrosting. Defrosting, boss. Kaboom. Boom. 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 Defrost it. Defrost time. Time for more defrost. These wounds will never heal. Gotta go fast. No, you don't. Wapang. Heat time! Boom! Heating it up! Heating time! Punch! 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 Defrost! I think I'm getting good. Oh my god. Oh my god. So much stuff to do. Defrost. These wounds will never heal. Grrr, gotta go fast. Boom, boom, boom. Shit! No! I'm gonna fucking kill you! Anyways. It's time to burn the competition. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, faster. Oh my god. Gotta go fast. Zap, 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 zap. Gotta go fast. Yeah, I'll kill you all. Unfreeze. This is awesome. These wounds will never heal. Gotta go first. Nom 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 nom. Ah. Ah. I ate you. I'm like annoying orange. No, you don't. I don't need you. I don't need any of you. I can end this without any of you. Flames. I don't even need one of these. This is gonna be a cinch. Cinch means easy. In my way. Well, we win. We definitely won that. Wait, what are you doing here? Get out of here. Well, guys, I think that's it. Oh, wow. Yeah. Hopefully I get something good.